Hey everyone, Troy here at Dirt Church Industries. Today I want to show you a new product we recently developed, the standalone folding tool tray, designed to fit the Milwaukee Packouts, medium, large, and extra large boxes. It will not fit the smaller box because the height of the aluminum rail is simply too short to mount these 3D printed brackets to. The kit includes the bamboo tabletop, which is 11 by 15 by 3/8 thick, the 2 folding legs, the 4 3D printed brackets, slew of fasteners, all related instructions. Installation is really straightforward, just should take you about a handful of minutes. Folds up, folds down, super straightforward. The other product that we have, we're taking the Harbor Freight folding tool tray, part number 63450. This one's a little different. This one's detachable. So you can clip it on, clip it off. It stores nicely behind the handle of your folding tool tray. Because it comes from Harbor Freight, people had to go there. A lot of people don't want to shop at Harbor Freight, spend the extra time, the extra money to buy that table. They don't need the quick detachable features, or it's simply not strong enough. Harbor Freight rates that tabletop at 35 pounds. We've gone as high as 60. It'll take it, but at a certain point, you're going to break the 3D printed brackets. This one is a lot stronger. How strong, you ask? Let me show you. So I'm 6'4", 210 pounds. I'm going to rate this thing to about 140, be on the safe side, but you get the idea. It's plenty strong for its intended purposes. You can mount this on the right or left-hand side of your Packout. The only downside to this smaller box you see right here is when it's sitting on the ground, this tabletop will hit the ground. So if that's a deal breaker for you, consider the detachable version or simply mount it to your larger box. There you have it. We have everything on the website in stock. If y'all have any questions, be sure to reach out to us, dirtchurchindustries.com. We'd love to help you out. Have a great day. Bye-bye.